style. Alright? The party's gonna be one for the history books. So head on over to the break room and I'll let y'all know when the prize arrives.
And I've seen them, and they are pretty dope. Those party buses, the lights, the music, you guys are gonna have an amazing time. Hi, party people coming in. I'm Pat. You guys gonna fill in all this space? I need all the space here, guys. Get close, get close. This break room feel. We're gonna have a lot of party people in here, so it's gonna be amazing. Did you guys like the cars out in the garage? Yeah. Does anybody have a favorite?
Yeah.
Which one?
The orange one.
The orange one. Nice one. Yeah. You like the turbo truck? The turbo truck's pretty nice. It's Letty's, but you know, she won't let me drive it. And of course, I can't go to the party. I'll be stuck here, you know, cleaning out the cars in the garage, of course. But low-key, I'm gonna sneak out, so you guys are gonna help me, right? All right. Secret is between us. Don't tell anybody. Party people coming in? Yes, guys, filling all this space. I'm Pat. Yep. Welcome to the break room, guys. All this space. Oh, Mia. What's up, girl?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here and they're ready to party.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Honestly.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
She's so sweet. She kisses me every time.
Welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family, guys. Yo, Tej, what's up? We're chatting with Mia. You're both on the break room monitor.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Got it, boss. Peace.
Peace.
All right, guys, you heard the boss. You guys are going to go right through those doors. You're going to see the homie Jamie. It's Jamie's first time stepping in for Tej, so try to go easy on Jamie. You guys can do that, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Jamie, you got this? I know I told you I said I have a party. A party, you know, the party's more than two.
Tej said that I was only surveilling.
Yeah, but he also said he's going to take people to the who got this.
But this is my... What? Wait. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. There's a lot of you. Okay. My name is Jamie. As you may know, this is my first day by myself. I kind of know what some of this stuff is, so I think I'm good. You should be fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard you guys going to this after party thing. I know that because I'm supposed to surveil it. Oh, hang on, boss man. Hey, Tej!
Jamie, the buses are here.
Great, so I can finally get these guys through the store, right? Like right now. Hey, I got this. I want to send
I
it to
got
you.
this, Jamie. Dom, what up?
Got
Tej,
it.
just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
What? I just checked this.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
Wait, what?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw, that
No, no,
cockroach
no, no.
we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses. You need to start bugging out right now.
Yeah.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
Oh, I can do that.
I'm on it.
Are you?
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word. But keep it in our family.
That's you guys.
And keep it quiet.
Oh, keep it quiet. Hey, Hobbs is calling. I'm sending it to
It's
you.
Hobbs.
I just said that.
Hobbs,
I got
my man.
but right.
What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
All of them?
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
Yeah.
It's about to go to a whole nother level. Send everybody to the loading dock.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. Oh, he's gone. Okay. This party just got a whole lot more interesting for you guys. Please go right through those doors. Please
watching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you got a problem, deal with it together.
Party's over. Everybody out. This is the FBI. Turn that music off. Come on, get moving.
Get moving. Get out. Everybody out.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Neil,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Let's back up a little bit. Got it. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. And I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up. Right, let's go.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right. Let's forget about all that mess. The party is here. The party is now. Time
Please remain fully seated at all times.